Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Sunil Godalkar. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. I taught the subject of basic electronics. Today we introduce the video lecture on the topic of flip-flop. In flip-flop, first we see the introduction of flip-flop. Flip-flops have two stable states and hence they are bistable multivibrator. The two stable states are high logic 1 or logic 0. In logic 0, they are binary storage devices because they can store binary data is in the form of 0 or 1. They can switch between the status under the influence a control signal, clock or enable. That is, they can flip to one state and flip back to other state. They are also known as a signal change sensitive devices, which mean that the change in the level of clock signal will bring change in output of the flip-flop. A flip-flop works depending on the clock pulses. Flip-flops are also used to control the digital circuit functionality. They can change the operation of a digital circuit depending on the state. Now we see the different types of a flip-flop. Firstly, we see the classes of flip-flop. There are three classes of flip-flop. First is latches, pulse triggered flip-flop, edge triggered flip-flop. In latch, output respond immediately while enabled. In pulse triggered flip-flop, output responds to the triggering pulse. In edge triggered flip-flop, output responses to the control input edge. These are the three classes of flip-flop. After that, the different types of flip-flop: SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. We see the types of flip-flop one by one. Firstly, we see the SR flip-flop. How it works in SR flip-flop? First, there are two input, S and R. S is a set. S means set and R means reset. At the SR flip-flop, the output is denoted by Q and Q bar. Q is the output and Q bar is the inverted output. The clock is given to the flip-flop. The SR flip-flop is basically flip-flop among all the flip-flops. All the other flip-flops are developed after SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop are represented as in given slide. We see in slide there are there is a flip-flop S and R, Q bar, and for clock is given to the SR flip-flop. In SR flip-flop can be built it by using a logic gates. Which logic gates we used in SR flip-flop? That are the two. First is NAND, second is NOR. In NAND gate, they are universal gates. Inputs for SR flip-flop are 0001 1011. Output of Q is QN for 00, 01 0 101 110. Q bar output is 1 QN bar 100. Action in 00 no change, 01 reset, 10 set and 11 undefined. After that, the basic SR flip-flop with clock is as shown in figure. How it build? There are two flip-flop S and R. Firstly, we join the clock of both the flip-flop, and after that, the output of SR flip-flop is given to the second NAND gate of the flip-flop. The second R gate of flip-flop output is given to the second NAND gate. After that, the S output we obtain is Q and R output we obtain Q bar. The basic SR flip-flop with clock, the truth table is when clock is 0, S and R is 0 or 1, output Q is QN, clock is 1, SR 00, output QN is hold, 10 output is 1, 1 output is 1 is hold, 11 output is 1 invalid. The base working from the diagram, it is evident that the flip-flop has mainly four states. They are From the diagram, it is evident that the flip-flop has mainly four states. They are S, R, Q is equal to 1, Q bar is equal to 0. This state is called as a set state. S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0, Q is equal to 1. This state K is known as a reset state. In both the states, the output are just complements of each other, and that the values of Q follows the values of S. The S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, Q and Q bar is equal to, remember, if both the values of S and R are switched to 0, then the circuit remembers the value of S and R in their previous state. S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0, Q bar is equal to 0. Invalid. This is an invalid state because the values of both Q and QR are 0. They are supposed to be complements of each other. Normally this state must be avoided. In this way we see the first one flip-flop, that is called as a SR flip-flop. After that second flip-flop JK we see in next slide.